because this is my last ride with a MellowBoard, with the electric skateboard, with my own one. I've decided to sell all my electric skateboards and to buy an e-bike. Bye-bye. Hello everybody, I'm Guide Angelo and today I'm gonna tell you this story. Why today is my last ride on the electric skateboard. Now, if you don't know, I am a big fan of the electric mobility, and I don't mean just electric cars, but individual electric mobility. So stuff like electric skateboard, electric scooters, one wheel, and so on. So there are a few years now that I have different electric skateboards. I've tried the one wheel, which was pretty nice, but it was too expensive for me at the time. And I also tried all kind of e-bikes. Now, here in Europe and in Germany, actually, electric skateboards are seen as vehicles and they are not legal. They have a little bit of difficulties to make a law, to make it legal. They have some security concerns. I've talked about this. We have some demos. I've been at some demos and stuff like this. I just stopped because I can't go further, you see. This wouldn't be a problem for an electric bike, an electro bike. But here, as it is right now, I can't go further with a skateboard. So let's have a walk. Now, after having fun with different skateboards, this was the most fun of all. The CurfBoard deck with a CurfBoard front truck and the MellowBoard on the back side. I've traveled with it a lot, seen a lot of countries from USA to Canada and Asian and so on. But it's illegal here, so every time I go with it in the city, it's a risk. I'm committing a felony. Makes it difficult to have one of those here. So once the corona pandemic came, I realized I need a transportation way, individual transportation way, and I didn't want to buy a car. Don't get me wrong, I love cars. Maybe I'll do a video about it. I drive a few of them, but I don't want to buy one. And the only alternative way would be an e-bike. I can use it for different purposes, from sport to transportation and so on. Maybe I didn't pick up the best day to go on the fields now. Yeah, overall, with these machines, and it makes it a little bit difficult to ride here. Now this is big style agriculture. was searching for a proper e-bike, not the cheapest one, not the most expensive one. Woo. And after trying Van Move, which I liked it, and the concept, I loved it, and I've tried Riese and Müller, which are the best at the full suspension e-bikes, but there are also the most expensive ones. I decided that it's most important to have full suspension and removable battery, and it's worth investing a lot more. I mean, a Riese and Müller e-bike costs about 2 or 3 times a Van Move. And again, don't get me wrong, Van Move is the very best e-bike you can get for €2,000, $2,000, whatever. But it doesn't have a removable battery, it doesn't have suspensions at all. It's more of a city bike. I was kind of intent to make a review with my thoughts on Van Move. Maybe I'll make this. And that's why I decided to buy Riese and Müller, which is pretty expensive. And that's why the hard decision, very hard decision, to sell all my electro skateboards and the inline skates, like everything I had as an individual transportation stuff, and to buy an e-bike. For somebody who's traveling a lot like me, I was thinking, what could I do against climate change? And the first thing is not having a car. So even if it hurts a lot, I'm selling all my electro skateboards, all my skateboards and inline skates, so that I can get a proper e-bike. Which one exactly, I will show you in the next video. Thank you for riding with me today. It was nice to have you on my last ride on the electric skateboard.